Today I'm going to show you how I thread my Brother SE 1900 embroidery machine. Okay, first you turn on the machine. Well, I have mine on, but I'll turn it off and turn it back on. Give it a second. You want to touch the screen. It'll say, keep your hands away from the carriage unit because it'll move. Alright, so first thing you do is I have my thread here. There's this little round attachment that holds the thread in so it doesn't fall out when you're threading it. So you start with the thread from the back facing down. And that's important because if you go the opposite way, the thread will get stuck and you'll have some issues. So I like to pull a little bit of my thread and kind of hold it here. First you come in where it says number 1, go down up to number 2, loop that around. There's an arrow pointing down to number 3. Then you come up around to number 4. There's a little catch inside here, so you want to make sure you caught onto that, number 4. Go down to number 5, and then there's a little loop back here for number 6. You want to get your thread in there. Come up to number 7, around to the side, cut your string, put your presser foot down, and this lever here will thread your needle.